are not only accountants, you are custodians of trust with a calling to serve the public, your clients, and your communities with the highest standards of integrity, honesty, and accountability. Remember, the foundation of your success as professionals lies not only in numbers, but in the values you uphold. Let integrity be your compass. Always choose the right path, even when no one is watching.
Loko mo ko.
Di, seryoso ko. Seryoso.
Hi, I'm Beck, Arlene's uncle. Hi, I'm Beck. I'm Kim's uncle. I wish for her to be able to achieve all her goals and find someone who will spend the rest of his life with her. That's all. All the best for her.
Hello. Ako si Tinay, ang mami ni Kim. Wish ko sa iyo anak na malayo pa marating mo at lahat ng mga pangarap natin ay matupad mo. Magkaroon ka ng masaya at magandang hinaharap kasama ang iyong magiging pamilya. Good luck. Love you, anak.
Certified Public Accountant Licensure Examinations.
Ate Kim! Ate Kim!
Saan may nagpar? Ay, sa paper.
Ay, sa sa dorm para sa ko.
Ay, hello. Dito na mo, boss. Inarap na.
Yung family ko lang. Ay, carpet. Ay, nalungkot eh. Bakit? Dalong pa ako kasi.
Hello. Dito kami ngayon sa PCC dahil outtaking ni Justin Kim Birola. May CPA, ang aking anak. Ang wish ko sa kanya ay magkaroon ng magandang trabaho. Yun lang.
Mapapasuran ko kay Arlene, dalawa na.
Thoughts ko about this day. Okay lang, masaya. It was fun dressing up. It was fun getting ready kahit nasa car. And it was fun doing this.
Okay.
At mag-oat. That's it. I feel like a real CPA now.
Wow.
Yeah.
Okay, go. Stop! It's too long! Mimiss.
Ewan ko. Tapos ilang buwan lang ilang bulaklak. Eh, mas masaya ka kung tatlo.
Hi. Tito Dick, umalis ka. There you go. Hello. My wish for my daughter, Ali, for her to be successful in her career. And I wish her all the best. And I love her so much. Go.
Sinabi ko na good. Basta.
Wish sa
Wish. Hindi wish. Wish. Sabihin mo lang na ano.
sa old niya.
Okay.
Ilang
1, 2, 3.
Okay na. Go.
Kaya Alisa, I wish you all the best, good health and successful job and pag-aral ka pa mabuti. Salamat. Alay!
Go.
Wish ko sa'yo, Alisa,
Din. Sumabay ka na sa amin.
Okay, go.
Alisa, wish ko sa'yo good health and
Go. Go.
Lisa, I wish you all the best. Good health. And maging successful ka sa iyong career. And sana lagi tayo nagkakasama. Thank you.
Ayan, may
Tingin.
First of all, I'm grateful because we had our own takings day. And of course, I'm grateful to celebrate this with my family and relatives. And I'm excited because tomorrow will be my first deployment for work. I know it's going to be challenging, but I'm very excited to grow professionally.
Good stuff. The prize. Sana, actually kahit ano makuha ko dito, wala akong problema. Masaya ako. Parang alam nang ginawa sa buhay ko, di